Dear students, we are starting chapter first, rational numbers. First of all, we have studied the definition of rational numbers. A number which can be represented in the form of a upon b, where a and b are integers and b never be 0. In other words, other definition of rational number is that numbers which can be represented in the form of a upon b, where a and b are co-primes. Co-primes means numbers are said to be co-primes if they doesn't have any common factor except 1. For example, 2 and 3. The common factor of 2 and 3 is only 1. Therefore, we can write 2 upon 3 and we can say 2 upon 3 is rational number. It satisfies the definition, both the definition of rational numbers. 2 upon 3. 2 and 3 are integers and 3 is not 0, and also satisfies that 2 and 3 are co-primes. The other examples, 3 upon 5, where 3 and 5 are integers and 5 is not 0, and other definition, 3 and 5 are co-primes. Now we are solving a question. Question is 0 a rational number or not? 0 is a rational number or not? Then we can say yes, because 0 can be written as 0 upon 1, 0 upon minus 1, 0 upon 2, 0 upon minus 3, and so on. Dividing 0 by any number is equals to 0. Therefore, we can say the numerator and denominator are integers. Here, numerator and denominators are integer, and denominator is not equals to 0. Therefore, we can say 0 is an integer. Now, property of rational numbers. First one, if m is an integer or positive integer and a upon b is a rational number, then we can multiply the numerator and denominator by given number a upon b. In the second step, if m is positive integer, then we can write a upon b is also equals to a is divided by m upon b is also divided by m. In this case, we can say the a upon b is the standard form of rational number. Standard form of rational number. We have studied in previous classes, every natural number is also a rational number. For example, 2. We can write 2 equals to 2 upon 1, where numerator 2 is integer and 1 is also integer. Therefore, we can say natural number 2 is also a rational number, but every rational number are need not to natural numbers. Also, we have studied every integer is also a rational number. Integer, for example, minus 3, we can write minus 3 equals to minus 3 upon 1, where minus 3 and 1 are integers and 1 is not equals to 0. It satisfies the definition of rational number. Therefore, we can say all integers are rational numbers and all natural numbers are rational numbers. Now we are learning representation of rational numbers on number line. How to represent the rational numbers on number line. For example, represent 1 upon 4 on the number line. Then first of all, we have to draw a straight line, 0 at middle point. Then write the numbers at fixed distance 1, 2, 3 and similarly to 4. We can represent easily, therefore given number is divided by 4. We can say 4 upon 4 it becomes 1, 2 upon 4 1 upon 2. Therefore the required answer 1 upon 4 is the first point on the number line between 0 to 1. Another example is represent 5 upon 4 on number line. 5 upon 4 on number line. First of all, we have to draw a number line at the middle point 0 and we have to represent some points 1, 2, 3, 4 as A, B, C and P. P for practical point. We can say it is equals to 5. We are dividing 5 into 4 parts. That means we can say 1, 2, 3 and 4. The 5 is divided in 4 parts. Therefore, we can say 5 upon 4. The point A is represented by 5 upon 4 because each point is 1 upon 4th part of 5. So A is 5 upon 4. B is also 5 upon 4. C is also 5 upon 4. 5 upon 4 plus 5 upon 4 plus 5 upon 4 equals to 5. Therefore, we can say the first point is 5 upon 4. If we want to represent the minus 5 upon 4 on the number line, then we have to represent a minus 5 upon 4 in the left side of number line. Another easy method to represent 5 upon 4 on number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We have to divide each number by 4. 0 divided by 4 is also equals to 0. Therefore, directly mark on 5 upon 4. Now look at the question. Express the following numbers in standard form. The first one is 42 is divided by minus 105. The second one is minus 88 divided by minus 121. We are solving the question first 42 is divided by minus 105. We can cut the numbers 42 and 105 divided by 21. 21 2s are 42, 21 5s are 105. Therefore, we can say 2 upon minus 5 equals to minus 2 divided by 5. It works just like that. 42 upon minus 105 is divided by 21 divided by 21. Therefore, we can say 2 upon minus 5 plus divided by minus equals to minus 2 upon 5. Another example, minus 88 upon minus 121. Minus divided by minus equals to plus, and 88 and 121 cut by 11 8 ja 88 and 11 multi 11 equals to 121. Therefore, we can say 8 upon 11. Minus 88 divided by minus 121. Both the numbers are divided by 11. Therefore, we can say minus 8 upon minus 11 equals to 8 upon 11. A question is that represent minus 4 upon 3 on the number line. Then we have to draw a number line, the middle point 0, in the left side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Divide each number by 3. 3 minus 2 upon 3, minus 3 upon 3, minus 4 upon 3, minus 6 upon 3. We can say minus 3 upon 3 becomes minus 1, minus 6 upon 3 becomes minus 2, and our required answer minus 4 upon 3 between minus 1 and minus 2. A question for your homework, represent 1 upon 4 and 3 upon 8 on number line. The next questions will be discussed in next video. Thanks for watching.